Hello, my name is Joe Smith. I'm 18 years old and I'm a nature photographer. I'm based in Bedfordshire. I've been doing photography for about 6 months. Today I'm going to bring you behind the scenes of my work to show you what I do. We're here today in Ashford Fir Campstead and we're going to do a bit of exploring and try and get some pictures for today. Show you behind the scenes. Recently I've been using my Samsung Galaxy S7 to take my photos, 12 megapixel camera, Ultra HD 4K, gets the job done, and then soon I'll be upgrading to my Olympus DSLR for higher quality, better photos and more better shots in the future. We've come to this big open area to get a picture of this tree opening. I'm going to get it on my Samsung Galaxy S7 and hopefully get some good shots. I've just got a few shots of this tree opening. I took it from the centre spot, like, you know, try and get it like going at a parallel lines sort of thing. See how it comes out. Right, we're going to move on and see what else we can get. Hopefully it should be good. I'm going to try and get some nice landscape tree opening shots again. Just down this little hill bit here, it looks pretty nice, so I'm going to try and get some good shots, see how they come out.
I've been hungry all my life. Yeah.
Right, this here, I'm going to try and do a focus shot of this tree and get the whole landscape behind it. So what you need to do is just... It's a similar one as last time, but I'm just going to try and get some more close-up shots. We've got a close-up of my camera of all the landscape behind it. Hopefully that will come out nice. We're going to go down now to spot number 4 and hopefully get some new and some good shots. Spotted 2 people walking on horses. We're going to try and get some nice photos of them. Let's hope for the best. Let's do it. I will be using this camera soon, but I'm going to be using my phone for now to get some nice photos of all these little log things, because it's better, like slightly better quality in that. But I will be upgrading to a better camera soon. It's just my practice camera, as I've only just started out on the phone. But hopefully in the future I should improve and get more high quality. I like how these leaves are contrasted with all these trees. I like how the lighting is in this area, so I'm going to get some nice photos now of this area while the lighting's still good with the sun out, and then hopefully get some really nice shots.
All my life, yeah, starved to the bone.
And it's just come back out, and we're going to get a really nice photo of this big oak tree right here. Hopefully we'll grab some nice colourful shots. Hopefully get a nice blue skies in the background, and get the sun out. See what we can get. I'm just getting a nice wide angled shot for this tree right now. I'm going to get a nice wide angled shot, and then hopefully on this branch right here I'm going to get a nice close focused up shot and get this nice tree in the background, and then see what I can do from then with the edit.
I've been hungry all my
I
life.
think that'll be us done at Ashes today. We've got some nice photos, got some nice footage, nice drone shots. The weather ain't been the best, but what can you say about Britain? But yeah, we've got some good shots. Next time, make sure you follow me on my Instagram. That is joesmith_18, and my Facebook page is Nature 4K Photography. Make sure you just go and follow them, they'll be in the description anyway. But until next time, peace.